Write the same hand. Well, that's a good one. Who writes with their hands and left? We're not in school. Who is taller? We're not in school. So save this one for school. So I'm going to write on here. I'm going to write on here. I'm going to just write on here when we're in class. Save for classroom. All right. Oops. We're going to save that one for the classroom, okay? Because we need to be with our friends. I've actually got a couple of those. Let's see this one. This one, who's taller? I am drinking straw. Well, we have to measure ourselves. This, again, save. Save for classroom. We can do these activities in the class, okay? I just wrote on there, we're not going to do it now. Here's another one. This is definitely save for the classroom. All right, save for classroom. Oops, where'd it go? Here we go. Save for, save for classroom. All right. This one we do our fingertips. We put ink on our fingers and see what our fingers look like. Our fingerprints. So save for classroom. All right, this is one we can do. I need your guys to answer some of these. All right, here we go. You have 2 legs and 2 feet. Is that true or false? You have 2 legs and 2 feet. Who says yes? Who says no? What do you think? Do you have 2 legs?
Yes.
Yes. And do you have 2 feet?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Of course you do. So, here we go. You have 2 legs and 2 feet. That is a true. So I'm gonna use a little thing here. That one is true. So I put a check mark because it is true. Number 2, you use your hands to throw a ball. Is that true or false? Do you use your hands to throw a ball? Do you use your feet to throw a ball?
Yes.
Your feet? You don't throw a ball with your feet. Do you use your nose to throw a ball? Silly, huh? No, it's not. Well, of course, you use your hands to throw a ball. That's how you throw. Your eyes, nose, mouth, and hands are all part of your face. Is that true or false? Careful. Who says that is true? Who says that is false? Let's look at it again. It's telling you your eyes, nose, mouth, and hands are all a part of your face.
No.
It is a no. Plyphone, I think she said no. You are right. That is a no. Your hands are not a part of your face. Wouldn't that be silly if my hands were a part of my face? I'd have to pick up things like this. So that is a no. Number 4, you smell with your you smell with your eyes. You smell with your eyes. Do I smell with my eyes?
Smell me? Smell me?
No. What do I smell with? My ears?
No.
With your nose. That's what the nose is there for smelling. So that is another no. You smell with your eyes. No, you don't. You hear with your ears. You guys just said it. That is a yes. Right? This we don't know. The actual answer is no. Okay? Someone in your class has the same fingerprints. That is a no. Everybody's fingerprints are different in the whole wide world. 7 billion people all have different fingerprints, okay? We'll talk about that when we're in class. So that is a no. Let's see the next one. That's a no. You use your skin to taste. What do you think? Do I taste with my skin? Do I taste with my skin? What do I taste with? How do I taste? You taste with your tongue, okay? When you eat food, I do not taste with my nose. I do not taste with my ears. I do not taste with my eyes. I do not taste with my skin. I taste with my mouth, and inside my mouth I have a tongue. And that is where you taste. So when I bite, my tongue tastes the banana. So, oh, that tastes good. So you use your skin to taste? No. I'll put little X's for false. How about that? That's better. All right. Your nose, ears, tongue, and hair are sense organs. That's kind of a hard question. We have 5 senses. 5. We use our eyes to see. We use our nose to smell. We use our ears to listen. We use our mouths and our tongues to taste. And we use our hands to feel. 5 senses. So what's the question again? You use your nose, ears, tongue, and hair. And your hair as a set. Can your hair feel anything? For all you girls who have long hair, all right, I see lots of long hair. If I put something to my hair, can I feel it? Does my hair feel? You can feel your hair, but your hair does not feel. What do you think? Minton, does your hair feel? Juno, do you feel with your hair? No, we can feel our hair, but it does not feel for us. We feel with our skin. Our skin feels. All right, so that's a hard question. This one's actually a no, a false. Okay? We don't feel with our hair, we feel with our skin. Okay? I like this one. A whisper is a loud sound. What do you think? Hello, everybody. How are you? Is that loud or soft? Hello, everybody. How are you? That's a whisper. Hello, hello, hello. And a whisper is not loud. What is loud? That is loud. So a whisper is not loud. A whisper is quiet. All right? Is a whisper a loud sound? No. All right? Because a whisper is quiet. You might whisper something to your sister. Hi, sister. How are you? I had some chocolate today. Shh. Okay. All right. And the last question. You have 5 toes on each feet. What do you think? Yes? Do you have 5 toes? Let's count them. Ready? Here are my toes. Can you see them? Nope. Oh. Hold up. Here we go. Let's count my toes. 1 toe, 2 toe, 3 toe, 4 toes. I have 5 toes on my feet and 5 fingers on my hand. So, You have 5 toes on your feet, on each foot? Yes. All right. Lots of nose on here. All right. Okay, good. If you don't have 5 toes, some people have 6. Somebody's still trying to get, oh, okay, good. All right, so these are parts of our body. We need to figure out what they are. Okay. And why? Because we find those words in our word search. So let's go back here. What do we got? What is this part of your body called? Somebody say it. What's this called?
Nose.
Hey, you're right. I heard a nose. Nice. So those how you spell nose. I'm actually not too sure what this is. It's either a head or hair. It's not a body. This is a body. This must be a body here, right? So that's somebody's whole body. All right. That's easy. What do you see with? You see with your eye. Okay. Here we got, oh, we have 2 here. What are the 2 words we're looking for here? What are the words we're looking for there? Anybody know? Let's have a look. Ready? This, let's see, I can do this again. Here we go. This, oh my gosh, got 30 feet. This is called my foot. These are called my toes. So let's go back to this. This is, so this arrow is, let's just extend the arrow up here. This arrow is feet or foot. It's 1, so it is a foot. And this down here, well, if it's 1, it's either toe, or if it means more, it is toes. One of those 2. Okay? If it's 1, it's a toe. If it's 2, it's toes. All right, let's draw a little line up here. These are the words we need to find. There we go. That, well, that could be a bunch of things. I think that is a mouth. Oops. But it could be teeth, or it could be tongue. Not sure which one. Okay? Mouth, teeth, or tongue. We'll find out when we look. This, of course, you hear with. That's pretty easy. That one's an ear. Okay, oops. Let's put that over here so you can see it. All right. And the last one, let's draw another little line. Okay, we got 1 here. And we have 1 here. All right. So this has to be your hand. All right. So that is a hand. All right. And okay. Y'all writing down these words? Good, good, good. And the last one is your finger. It's pointing to a finger. So again, it's either finger if it's 1 or fingers if it's 2. I'm not too sure. All right. So the words we look, this is our word search. We try and look for words. So let's have a look. We look for the word nose, eye, because there's 1. Mouth, teeth, or tongue, I'm not sure. Foot and toe or toes. We need to look for the word ear, the word hand, and the word finger or fingers. All right, let's have a look. All right, so let's go to the next page. Now you go to this purse and you've got to find the words somewhere in here. And I see one already. So here is the word mouth. Mouth. So I circle it. You can put a line through it. Good. I found the word mouth. Let's go back to my other page. And I found the word mouth. Uh-oh, yeah. It probably isn't teeth or tongue. I'm not sure. We have to look. All right, so that's what you do in here. Look for all words. Can anybody see a word? Look for the words that are on this page and try and find them in this. It's called a word search. We're searching for words. Let's have a little look. Do I see any words? Oh, look, I found another word. Where's my pen? There it is. Here we got the word toe. Oh, we got the word toes. So now we know we have the word toes, not toe. So we know this was, so we can scratch this one right off. We don't have to find the word toes. And it was the word toes we found, okay? So this is that means this word is probably fingers, but I'm not sure. All right, can anybody find one? Look, this is called a word search. We're looking for
Ear.
the words. What do you see?
Ear.
Somebody said ear. Ah, right near here, right?
Yes.
Good, nice finding. So we got the word ear. Let's cross that off. Where's ear? There it is. Perfect. Anybody else get a word? I think I know where they all are now.
I.
A what?
I.
You see I, Prize?
Yes.
Okay, let's see where I is. I will look for I. E-Y-E. E. Oh, right under the ear.
Toe.
Yeah, we got toes. We got eye, ear, and mouth. Let's go back. I got to cross off I.
ระบายสีนี่
Anybody see another one? Anybody else see one of our words?
I see the finger.
That was Prize. What do you hear? What do you see, Prize?
Finger.
Win
คือคำอะไร
Finger.
winter?
โอเคถูกต้อง
Finger.
Finger. Good. Is that finger or fingers? Let's have a look. Where's finger? Okay, wait. Prize found finger. Finger. Ah. And this one is fingers. Uh-oh. Wait.
ไม่ใช่กาวะไม่ใช่จะเบี้ยวกว่านี้เลย
It is fingers. That means more than one. Thank you.
ไม่ใช่
All right, fingers. Then we go back and cross off fingers.
I can find
ดัง
Okay, what else do we see? Hold on.
คำว่าเอีย
Toes?
ๆเนาะจมูก
I think we have toes. If someone said toes.
เอ็น
Oh, somebody's holding up a book. Great. Not which one is it? Toes. No.
OOT
Oh, maybe they have both. Let's have a look. Oh, foot. Good job. That was Nut, I think. Thanks, Nut. We have foot. Let's cross off foot. Perfect. Let's go to the next one. Let's see what else we got.
nose
Which one? Does somebody have it? Can they show it to me?
nose body
A body. Oh, somebody found body. Awesome.
บอดี้ที่ต้นด้วยตัว Y
BODY
All right, let's look for body. Body. Look for the. Oh, there it is, right there.
BODY เหรอ
ค่ะ
So we have
Wing
body. So all the words go left, right, and down. So let's have a little look.
เนี่ยแฮน
Let's go back. Let's get our body.
เอาตูดป้าย
There it is. So we should have a nose and a hand. so far? Let's have a look.
Hand. I have hand.
Did you find I? Well, I already got I. I circled an I. And according to my list, we need hands.
Hand. I find hand.
Where is that prize?
I find hand.
Let's have a little look.
Nose.
Hand. Let's go to this one. Hand begins with an H. Oh, there it is. Now this one has an S.
I have nose.
This one has an S too. Maybe it's hands. Wow. All right. So this was other hand, but we found the word hand. So I'm going to put a little S on the end. All right, you found the word hands instead of hand. All right, then there should be feet. Let's have a look, see if you can find feet. Let's have a little look. I wonder if there's a word called feet. We found hands. I think there's only one more, right? What's the last one? I forgot. The last one is nose. I have not found nose yet. Anybody find a nose? I don't see a nose yet. Nose, 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 nose. Who knows? I don't know. Nose. Look for the letter N, N-O. There's no O. Look for the letter N. There's an N. There's no O. N, oh, there it is. N-O-T. Nope, an N-O-S-E. That's how you do this, okay? So you look for a letter N and then see what's beside it or on top of it. So there is the word nose.
Nose.
All right, I think we got everything. A nose. All right. Teeth and tongue, I don't think are there. Probably not. Let's have a quick look. I don't think teeth are there. Two E's together. Teeth, 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 and tongue. No. Where's the letter T's? Teeth and tongue. Nope. Nope. T, T, T. Nope. That's the way I do it. I scan along. No T. No. No. T. Teeth. Oh, T-E-Q. Nope. T. I don't think teeth or tongue is there. Nope. All right. So there's no teeth and no tongue. It must have been mouth. So good job. That is what we call a word search. Okay? We search for words. I don't know if you've used them much, but that is called a word search. How'd everybody do? Everybody do okay? Everybody's got all these words? Good. Yeah, leave them up there for a second. Everybody make sure you get them. Meantime, I will finish my banana. You guys make sure you have that all filled. Somebody's pointing. What is that?
And can find tongue.
Hang Han's trying to do something. Not too sure what that is. Let's have a look at that. I think that's it. That's a pretty easy word search. None of these words go on an angle, or backwards, or upwards. That's good. Okay, I finished tasting my banana. Everybody got them? We okay? We good? Thanks, Juno. Good. Okay, we'll move on.
แล้ววันไหนหรอ I see tongue.
Excellent. And I will turn off this presentation.
T-O-U
All right.
U-E T ขึ้นมาหนึ่งทีขึ้นมาขึ้นไปวน
I see tongue.
Everybody okay?
ลากลงไป
นี่ดูดิ
All right, before we go to the workbook, I'm going to show you a video on things that are the same and things that are different, okay? These are things that are the same and things that are different. All right, so let me go back to here. Let's go back to here. Now, this is a pretty easy one we'll start with. We got something a little harder. Same and different, okay? Come on. Come on, you can work. Whoa, how did I do that? Oh, yeah, what is that? Wow, I think this thing's gone a little crazy. Same and different, okay. There we go.
Hello, boys and girls. Today, we'll compare objects to see if they are the same or different. Our friend Eddie the elephant will help us.
Hey, guys.
Everybody enjoys playing with balloons. Do you like them too?
Of course. I'm very good at blowing them up. Have a look.
Wow, you can do it really well. Look, guys, here are two balloons. They are both yellow and the same size. We can say they are the same.
Yes, these balloons are exactly the same. Oh, we've got one more balloon.
Let's have a close look at it. It's the same size as the two other balloons, but it looks different. The first two balloons are yellow, and this one is red. It differs in color.
I have other toys too.
So in some ways same, some ways different. Let's have a
These
look.
are
We got
two
a star.
stars. How beautiful they are.
We got two stars.
They are both blue and the same size. We can say that these stars
look the
are the
same.
I'll blow up one more star.
It looks very much like the two other stars, but it's also different. The two other stars are blue, and this one is pink.
It's the same shape and size, but it's a different color. Ooh, they got blown away. I'll have to make some more toys.
This is a mother duck with her ducklings. Are they all exactly the same? Take your time. Look carefully. Tell us what you've noticed.
They are all ducks. That's what they have in common. But the mother duck is bigger than the ducklings.
Right you are. This duck is different in size. It's bigger. All our balloons got blown away. It's time to finish this lesson. In our next episode, we'll be looking for objects that fit together.
Okay, that was a really easy same and different. So let's go to this book. Okay, this science book. All right, and we want page 18. That is this page, 18. Okay, that's what it looks like, 2 pages. Remember, I only go 1 page, and this is our page. Can you see that? 18, right there. All right? Go to page 18. This is all about same and different. They use the word similar, which is the same word as same. Everybody got it? I'll show you the page. Science book or workbook? Science book.
What should go to
It
the
is
toilet?
this one. Okay? So this says ways we are similar. Now, similar also is same. That's the same word. We are the same or we are similar, okay? So I'll just write in the word same to help you. All right, let's have a look. Look at the people in the, now I got split mine into 2 pages, right? 1, 2. Look at the people in the photograph. They are similar or the same in many ways. Okay? I use this picture because it's better. I'll look up my book. All right. They have the same body parts. Yes. All of these people have 2 hands, 10 fingers, 1 nose, 2 eyes, 1 mouth, 2 legs, and 10 toes, and 2 ears. Okay? That way, they are all the same. They all have the same hair color. Well, let's have a look. These people do have all, I think so. Let's look at one of these people. Yes, these people do have the same hair color. Okay? I don't have the same hair color, but these people do have the same hair color. All right? And they have the same eye color. Well, it's hard to tell. I'll look at my book, see if I can tell. Huh. They have the same eye color, but they're not like my eyes. Like, I don't know if you can see my eye. Let me take this off. Get my head a little closer. Ready? I don't know if you can see my eye color. Can anybody tell me the color of my eye? What color do you see? Let's get a little closer. What color?
Black. Blue. Black. Blue.
My
Tim ao cái này phải tông tissue.
So for me, my eye color is different, but they probably do have all the same eye color. I'm not too sure. I have to get the book real close. I don't know. It's too hard to tell. All right, let's go to the next page. Okay, maybe in this one, they all do have the same color and hair color. Here's our ways we are different. So which ways, children, that's you, which ways are you the same or similar? And which ways are you different? Okay? How are you guys the same? So who do I have? I see Minton and Jinjin. Which ways are you two the same? And Chan, which ways are you guys the same? Do you have 2 eyes? Minton and Jinjin, do you have 2 eyes?
Yes.
So I see Minton and Jinjin on my list. So yes, they have 2 eyes. They have 1 nose. They have 1 mouth, 10 fingers, 2 hands. That way you're the same. You're both girls. You are the same. You're both girls. Now, which ways are you different? What do you think? Which ways are people and children different?
Skin.
What do you think?
Skin.
What one? Sorry, say it again, Jinjin.
Skin.
Skin. You probably have different skin color. That's true. What other ways are you different? I can see differences in you right now. Hair, you're right. One person now has braids and one person looks like a ponytail. So that's different. You're right. Do you two look the same?
อะไรล่ะ
ยิ่ง
So, Jin Jin, do you look like Minton?
blue
No.
yellow
Everybody looks different, right? We all look different.
blue
Okay. So, how are you the same? Well, let me get my book. What's it say? People can be different in many ways. Well, how are you the same and how are you different? So, the same, you have hands, fingers, nose, eyes, mouth, ears. You both have hair, different style. You both breathe. You both eat. These are all things we're the same. You both drink. You have drinks of water. That's the same. Okay. How are you different? We look different from everybody. Okay. We have different hairstyle. Okay. Jinjin's got pigtails, it's called. It looks like Minton just has a ponytail. I have no hair. Right? So those are ways we are different. Okay? But we all eat. But we don't eat the same things. We don't eat the same. You know, I have a friend of mine and his son hates French fries. I say, hey, do you want some French fries? He goes, ooh, I hate French fries. How does somebody hate French fries? So in that way, they are different. Here's some other ways we are different. Okay, we can be the same, but we can also be different. Here's another way we are mostly different. Size. People are usually shorter and taller. Okay, so we're not in the class. I can't see how tall Jinjin is or how tall Minton is, but we are different in height. Okay, some people are tall, some people are short. There you go. If I'm tall, I'm going to play basketball. Okay, if I'm short, well, I can play golf or something like that. So sometimes being tall is good, sometimes being short is good. All right, so we don't have much time left, so I'll go to one more page, and then we'll finish this later. We have to cut our week short. Here, of course, different hair color. All right, different hair color. You guys all have black hair, so you would have the same. In this book, they talk about different hair color. And here we've got some brown hair. That's brown hair. And here we got somebody with blonde hair, okay? All right, let's check the next page. Now, here we have different color eyes. As we noticed, I have blue eyes. You guys probably have black or brown eyes, but my eyes are blue. My dad's eyes are blue. My grandpa's eyes were blue. All right. Now, this is a little tougher. This is easier in the classroom, but who writes with the right hand or left hand? Most people use the right hand. Okay. So when I write, here we go. I'm going to take my right hand. I'm going to put hello. I'm writing with my right hand. Okay. Now I'm going to try and write with my left hand. All right. Which I can't do. So let's try it. Hello. Well, that's not too bad. This is my right hand. That's my good hand. And that's with my left hand. Okay. So most of you were probably right-handed. Okay. That means you write with your right hand. All right. We'll save that again for class. But that's just a little bit there. And this is all about fingerprints. We're saving that. We're going to put save for class. All right, save for class. Classroom, okay? Because we need to do that in the classroom. And we just did that one. All right, how much time? We don't have much time left. All right, we'll save this for next time, okay? So I don't know how much more pages do I have here. Oh, it's actually the last page. Let's try and get it done. All right, I want to get this finished. Here we go. Quick quiz. List the parts of the body you use when you run. What do you use for running? What do we use to run? When we run, we use our what? Legs. And
Toe.
yep.
Foot.
Yep, foot or feet. You're right. What do we use to throw a ball? Anybody? Well, I'm going to throw something. I don't have anything to throw. A what? A hand? And what else do you need to use? Your arm, right? We use hands and arm. All right. Well, this one's easy. What part of the body do we listen with? Listen to music with our?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. Ears. Good. And the last one, what part of the body do we eat an apple with? Well, that's easy.
Mouse.
Our nose, right? Yes? Oh, we use our mouth to eat an apple. Oh, yeah, that just went crazy. All right, there we go. All right, that's better. Label the sense organs. A is
Eye.
it is an eye. This one you smell with is a
Nose.
it is a nose. This one what is that picture? Is that tongue? Is that I don't know what picture that is. Hold on. I might have to look at that on another book. Uh-oh. What happened? What happened? Where'd my picture go? Hold on. Uh-oh. Where'd my picture go? Oh no. Oh, did I quit? Oh, hold on. That's it. Oh, good. All right, I lost it there for a second. Sorry. I'm not too sure what this is. I can't tell. Is that eating? Is that somebody eating? It's hard to see for me. I wonder if I have the other one. Let's have a look. All right. Let's have a look, see if I have a better picture of it. Oops, it's on this book. It's on this book. There it is. Let's have a look. Oh, that's touch. He is squeezing it. He is squeezing it. So he's using touch. Oh, I couldn't see the picture on here. So what's he using? This one he's using his hands or better. Oh, yeah. On this one, we're going to say his skin, right? He's using his skin to touch. Or hands. So we're going to say skin. And for here, he's using his hands. Okay, both words. This is easy.
How about finger?
Yeah. Oh, this could be fingers too. You are right. Thank you. Actually, let's do this. Let's put them all beside each other. So this could be hands. Oops. You are right. Hands, skin, or fingers. Any one of those would be right. You're right. Thank you. There we go. Hand, skin, hands, or fingers. This one we know. Of course, that is an ear. Yeah, that's easy. Yeah. Easy. That's what we hear with. And the last one is our
Mouse.
yeah, it's our whole mouth. Mouth.
Teeth.
All right, let's leave the bottom one. We'll finish that next time. I know it's time we got to get going. So it is time. Okay, let me turn that off because we'll finish that next time just a little bit at the end. And let's do the goodbye song. Goodbye. All right, here we go. Let's turn this one off, and we'll turn on the goodbye song. It should come. Hold on. Whoa.
Teacher, no video.
I know. Wow, it's jumping.
Video.
Okay, I know. I'm getting the video right now.
Oh,
Yeah, I'll get you the video. Kind of jumped
video.
away. Here we go. Come on.
no video.
My computer's tired right now. He's getting tired. Here we go.
ไปเอาไปต้องไปกดนี่นะ
I think I have one more banana.
It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to say goodbye. I had so much fun, and you had so much fun. We all had so much fun, and now we say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye.
Let's make this bigger.
Again.
There we go.
Goodbye, see you again. It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to say goodbye. I had so much fun, and you had so much fun. We all had so much fun, and now we say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. See you again. Goodbye, goodbye. See you again. It's time to go home.
I really like this song.
It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to say goodbye. I had so much fun, and you had so much fun. We all had so much fun, and now we say goodbye. Goodbye, it's time to go home. See, it's time to go again. Goodbye, it's time to go by. It's time to see you again. Goodbye, it's time to go by. See, it's time to go again. Goodbye, it's time to go by.
There we go.
Goodbye.
All right. I like that song. It's a nice tune. All right, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye, everybody. Adios.
See you
Bye
tomorrow.
bye.
Bye.
Have a good day. Say
Bye.
hi to your brothers and sisters. Goodbye.
เอาไว้ว่าวินได้จิตตกด้วยอ่ะโอเคจบนะไปจบขึ้นหวานได้เป็นนี้สะกดจางนะในคอมเราก็มีเป็นรู้สึกแอปของมินตันของเราก็มีแต่เป็นในคอมของพ่อเราโอ้มันเยอะมากนี่นี่สิบายบายบายบายบาย นั่นใครอ่ะ